Next off, we are talking about this illustrious panel comprising of Dr. Pawanpreet Singh ji, who is looking after the affairs of VP Broadband, Shri Jignesh Mehta ji, who is looking after the affairs of Mehta Infocom. And let me give you this warning, one who doesn't know Mehta Sahab is not part of this industry, because if you are in this industry, you know Jignesh bhai. Mehta Infocom has served us for decades. Thank you for your service, Jignesh bhai, and it is an honor having you here. The young Turk and the stalwart in this industry, my friend Sri Vijay Ahire, who is the co-founder and currently CTO of Cinefo. Cinefo is the company that is forming everything except your physical presence in the ownership of your organization. I must compliment you, Vijay. At this age, your company Cinefo is doing this for the betterment of the industry. And not the least, Shri Aditya Chileji, who is the CEO of Vortex. Vortex is again a technology and solution providers company. By the time I thought that I make this introduction, we will have chairs. But such is the political system of India. There are many claimants and no chairs. No wonder in 2 months we will have election and all of them will have their own chairs. So we take, so if the organizers allow, we will take these chairs, ma'am. There are only 2 of them required, and let's not be disturbed. They are getting it? हाँ, but 2 minutes में मेरा panelist लोगों का time. Please. Audience, sir, since CAT24, we are talking since morning. This is the first day and inaugural day of this session. We are talking about the emergence of newer technologies, the need of upgradation for the cable operation people. The ground has to adopt newer technologies such as yours and Aditya ji's, Vijay ji's. So these are the things that are required, and everyone acknowledges that a smart cable operator now will definitely survive and thrive. We are today in this session talking about the challenges of broadband and cable integration. The challenges need to be enlisted and the solution also need to be suggested, because the very objective of such conferences and such panel discussions with such illustrious people is not only to identify what is the challenge, not only to see where are we likely to be going, only when the solutions emerge from the experience, the elixir of their experience is actually the solutions. I start from Dr. Pawanpreet ji. Pawanpreet ji, what is your opening statement about the very pertinent topic that we are? Yeah, Kunal, his voice. No, I think it has to be turned on. Is it on?
Am I audible?
Yeah.
So, thank you, sir, for
पास में पकड़ना पड़ता है.
thank you, sir, for giving us this chance to present our experience, our thoughts on the given topic. So, I do believe that evolution is the key. So, unless until you evolve, you will get kicked out. Be it you have seen the process of evolution from apes to humans. So, whoever evolves will continue in the society. So similar is the case with the topic. Okay, so from cable TV to internet to OTTs. So unless and until you will evolve, you will be there in the industry.
Yeah, Jignesh bhai.
I also have the similar opinion, and just we have seen some time back, some 5-10 minutes back, कि यहाँ अतुल जी कुर्सियाँ ढूंढ रहे थे, तो हम लोग चारों ने क्या किया, हम तो चारों नीचे उतर गए, वी आर फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड, तो कुर्सी लाने की चेष्टा की, वी हैव ट्राइड टू टेक दिस चेयर ओन बाय ओन, सो फाइंड द वे आउट.
Correct.
If we are sticking to some particular arena and particular problems and not concentrating on the solution to the problem, वो कुछ उसका हल नहीं निकलने वाला. It is not going to be resolved. This is one. And number two, everybody know the Darwin's law. सबको मालूम है साहब, सर्वाइवल एट फिटेस्ट होने ही वाला है. तो हमें कैसे जिंदा रहना है, हाउ टू बी सर्वाइव. पहले सिंह साहब ने कहा, या तो मेरे भी जो दो कलीग है वैसा ही शायद कहेंगे, कि देर वेर सम केबल टीवी, देर वॉज केबल टीवी, देर इज केबल टीवी एट गोइंग टू बी ए समवट, you know, some diminishing stage. I may be somewhat blunt also.
Yeah.
But at the same time, if we are not boarding to some newer technology, let it be broadband, let it be some value-added services of OTT, gaming, these, that, blah, blah, जो भी है, जिंदा रहने के लिए जो करना है वो करना है भाई. सिंपल. थैंक यू.
जिंदा रहने के लिए जो करना है. आदित्य जी.
Good afternoon to everyone. Lots of thanks for inviting me to this forum. Mic is not working?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Am I audible? All right. So pick it up from there on the similar lines. As we started by saying that what are the challenges for a typical a conventional cable TV industry, so to speak, which was that was kind of the mothership of this whole thing. As it was mentioned by two of my fellow panelists, it is the mammoth challenge, the ultimate challenge actually of survival. And survival probably is a negative or a defensive kind of a word. The mindset has to change. The current set of cable operators or who have been in this business will have to start looking at it from a fighter's mindset. We will have to actually quickly pick up what is coming up, what changes or what changes are happening in the consumption pattern of my end customer. Like my end customer used to consume the typical the channel television that was broadcast on my cable network. But now, if you see in last 4 or 5 years, there's a significant change in that consumption pattern. Majority of it has shifted towards the OTT platforms because that is what is now the liking of, and there are similar stuff like gaming was mentioned. So gaming also is possible once we graduate to the internet.
Correct.
So
We will come to all those points one by one. So this being the just opening remark, you say the survival is depending upon the adoption of newer.
not only survival, but
Yeah.
aggressively we have to fight it back and kind of graduate to the next, as he said, evolve to the next level.
Yes,
Yeah.
evolution.
Not merely
Vijay.
survive.
Vijay.
As I see, everyone has spoken about the survival instinct. I see LCOs are the ultimate fighters here. We have seen the diminishing, cable numbers. We have seen that notion of 5G coming up. अब अपना क्या होगा, ठीक है? But LCO has fought well to come up on top of this kind of notion. They have been emerging as a winner, I see. They have fought well against 5G ka notion that once 5G will be there, what will happen to our base. But they have fought well, and to continue that fighting, they have to evolve. They have to adapt like Mr.
Aditya ji.
Like Mr. Aditya has said, we have to evolve. They will have to evolve. They have
Yeah.
to adopt new services. They have to add value-added
general.
services, and that is how they will survive.
In general, gentlemen, all of you are talking about a situation where there is some fire beneath and some solution needs to be deployed very quickly. Is my understanding correct? Yeah. In general. So, evolution is necessary. Aggressive fight must be put together. Or maybe the adaptations or changes are required. Has the industry of local cable operation witnessed a challenge for the first time, Jignesh bhai? All these things has been happening because Dr. Sahab, Dr. Pawanpreet ji is also operating as cable operation. They are ISPs. You have solutions. Jignesh Bhai has been providing solutions of all sorts to the same fraternity. Is this the first time that these people are facing a challenge? Yourself, Jignesh Bhai.
No,
We'll take definitely everyone's opinion, but what I am saying is this the first time? नहीं उसको टर्न ऑन कीजिए प्लीज. नहीं पीछे नहीं आगे. यस. अच्छा.
Hello, check.
Yeah, now you are audible. Sorry for the inconvenience, sirs. Sir.
Just a second. उसको थोड़ा सा time.
ये आगे पुश करना है जोर से. It works.
Hello.
Yeah, now you are audible.
So, जैसे डॉक्टर साहब ने he has asked me that is this the first time challenge? No. Cable TV, especially, I think that we are also working for more than 3.5 decades around, say, since the inception rather. But at the same time, there were lots many challenges. There बहुत सारे issues थे. There were only 2 channels of Doordarshan and this and that, and after this all pay channel came. First was the Z Cinema in 90s. It has come, but see there it was somewhat different. So the evolution of the people has made because they had to. उनके ऊपर कंपल्शन था अपने आप को चेंज करने का, अपने नेटवर्क को अपग्रेड करने का. दैट वाज द थिंग. दिस इज़ वन. एंड जहाँ तक ऐसा है ना कि हिंदुस्तान में शायद मतलब मैं भी उसमें आ गया, जहाँ तक ऊपर से डंडा नहीं होता है ना तब तक कुछ चेंज नहीं होता है.
Yes, ऊपर वाले डंडे की
मतलब
बात
ऊपर
आप
वाला
detail
डंडा या तो
करने वाले हैं.
टेक्नोलॉजी का डंडा या तो प्रेशर वाली बात की कर रहा हूँ मैं. जब तक प्रेशर नहीं आएगा, चाहे आपके इनकम टैक्स की फाइलिंग की डेट होवे,
Correct.
चाहे आपका जीएसटी रिटर्न भी होवे, या एनीथिंग एल्स इज ऑल्सो देयर, राइट? So there are lots many things which needs to be addressed in advance, but unfortunately the industry couldn't,
Correct.
right?
So what you,
just
yeah.
the turbulence and the disruption specifically came from March 20 by the time of COVID and lockdown,
correct.
right?
Disruption
so
actually
that
came
was
there.
and disruption led to all these things.
Yeah, now when we are talking about this disruption, arrival of this disruption, and when we are saying that the networks or the change needed to be adapted, we have Dr. Pawanpreet ji here who has adapted this change, and they are an ISP as well as a cable operator. What is easier and what is difficult, Dr. Saab, and what you had to do to survive? And is there now, with both the activities surviving, is there still a threat of life and death now? Because this, sorry, I'll just take 1 minute. All my audiences and all the respected members of the fraternity are listening to us since morning, that we are absolutely convinced that this fraternity is not going to go down. The survival of cable operation as DVB-C and the survival of the cable operator as a last mile solution or last mile distributor are 2 different things. We have established it, and now let us find out the challenges and we will seek some solutions also. That way, you first, sir.
So what we have seen right now is increased competition from the bigger players, bigger telcos, and it is already threatening the business of the local cable operators. Okay, so to keep up with that pace, to keep up with that particular level of service, so the operators have to evolve.
Yeah.
So they will have to go for a better service. So they will have to opt for better equipments, better network. They will have to have a better maintenance of their existing infrastructure. So that is the most essential part right now. Okay, whoever is evolving with this changing scenario will be in the industry. Okay.
Correct.
So we have seen that cable operators usually they weren't serious about their business little time back, before the COVID, before the onset of 4G or 5G revolutions.
Correct.
Okay, so we have seen that.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I'm passing this to another operator who has his DVB-C, that is cable operation, also very happily running, and is also an ISP and is also a solution provider. Aditya ji, what are the challenges that you have faced from the inception of this disruption from 2020? First enlisting the challenges, then what you did to overcome those challenges so that we know the solution?
Allow me to mention one biggest challenge, which is within actually. There
Yeah.
are challenges without, there are challenges within. Challenges without are addressed, technology, etc. I think probably we are now, all that is falling in place and now it is available thanks to people like Mr. Mehta. Everything is available now. People can graduate technologically to quickly become an internet operator from a cable operator. But what I recall from our time of being a cable operator and then seeing internet as a competition. So that mindset has to change. My appeal to all the cable operators is that current cable operators is that please do not see ISP industry as a competition. Number one, I'm not saying all of you are saying, but as you go to rural areas, you have people who have this subliminal feel कि भाई ये लोग मेरा धंधा खा जाएंगे
हाँ,
या ये कब्जा करने आ गए हैं. ऐसे नहीं है. प्लीज डोंट. इफ यू टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ वर्टेक्स, द ग्रुप आई बिलोंग टू, लालू भाई का नाम इसी बात के लिए रोशन है कि ही पिक्स अप पीपल फ्रॉम केबल इंडस्ट्री एंड ही trains them, hand holds them, and makes them self-sufficient internet operators. So this challenge is on both sides. Even the current ISP industry will have to become more positive to handhold more cable operators to convert them into successful ISPs or successful internet operators. And the cable operators will have to actually now, it's a wake-up call. Because 50% चला गया consumption और base आपका चला गया 30% almost पिछले 4-5 सालों में. If we do not wake up now, it will be very late. I think another year goes by and then cable probably will be. So we have solutions like IPTV, we have gaming, we have OTT, most importantly, which addresses the content ka challenge. So I think all the ISPs like us and Dr. Praveen P. Singh here, we'll have to also partake in that upliftment of this cable, which we have done successfully. And the people who are like the magicians of the whole business are the people who provide the platforms, like Vijay's company. So they will also have to, and in our case, they have actually run with us equally, and they have been really helpful in terms of making everybody capable, because that operator has to become capable to control his subscribers on this system. That is facilitated by the companies like Cinefo. So this side of the industry also cannot sit and just say, भाई आप लोग जाग जाओ, आपका धंधा जाएगा, etc. We will have to also handhold, आगे हाथ बढ़ा के उनको सबको साथ में लेना है. हमने ऐसा किया है वर्टेक्स में. आप इंडस्ट्री में पूछ सकते हैं. I think this is the solution I am sharing. So mindset, ISP इंडस्ट्री को, इंटरनेट इंडस्ट्री को दुश्मन देखने का माइंडसेट आपको छोड़ना होगा. और ISP इंडस्ट्री को अभी निकल के हाथ बढ़ा के उनको साथ लेके आगे चलाना होगा. बाकी टेक्नोलॉजी तो आई थिंक वी हैव एबल पीपल अराउंड अस टू, दे विल टेक केयर ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी.
Vijay ji, as a young entrepreneur, what are the things that you face when these people come to you who are now completely forced into evolving, putting fight for the survival, facing the disruption? All of these things are now established, and this is what is happening on the fraternity. Now, as a young entrepreneur, what are the challenges do you see in the eyes of those people who approach you, and how do you resolve them?
One of the first challenge.
ऐसा पास में रखो, don't शर्माओ नहीं. You are the youngest among the
No
panel.
worries, no
boss. Give a
So-
hand for the young entrepreneur boss. इसकी कंपनी, मैं खुद टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट हूँ. सॉरी बेटा, 1 मिनट रुकिए. मैं खुद इंजीनियरिंग पास किया हुआ आदमी हूँ. आपको गारंटी से बता सकता हूँ कि इनके पास जो सोल्यूशन है उसके जैसा दूसरा मैंने देखा नहीं है. ऑफ कोर्स दूसरे भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं और दे आर ऑल्सो डूइंग वेरी वेल, बट आई प्रेज दिस यंग मैन फ्रॉम द बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट. विजय, प्लीज.
Thank you, Dr. Atul, for the kind words. So answer to the question. Basically, I in the earlier part, I saw a lot of reluctance to adopt what you need to survive. Kind of integrations we have done for ISP industries and for cable industries. There are a lot many new features we are offering into our platform. We are enabling ISPs and MSOs to offer lot of value-added services to their customers, right from integrating their ONUs, their FTTH infrastructure, and then enabling ISPs to offer OTTs, IPTV in the combo pack along with their broadband connections. We are enabling ISPs to sell these kind of value-added services and stay ahead of the competitions. the kind of platform we are providing, we are actually enabling them to compete with the kinds of Airtel Extreme and the kind of Geos. Okay, so the kind of apps they are providing to their customers and the kind of apps we are providing to these ISP, in turn they are able to provide this to their customers. They are actually able to compete with these big ISPs.
So you mean to say that you are ensuring that I myself as a very small local cable operator go to Sinafo and find out their solution, and I am as good as qualitatively, operationally, as good as the Airtels of the world and Reliance of the Jio of the world? You can vouch for that. Wonderful.
Mr. Aditya is certainly watching for it, and as we have seen, a lot of booths are here. Watcho, OTT Play, Playbox, these kind of OTT providers, the aggregators, they are enabling LCOs to provide these OTT apps to the end customers. They are enabling ISPs to provide to their customer these kind of apps.
So if you are putting me as good as or as great as the Jio and Airtel of the world operationally, is it extremely capital intensive?
Not really.
No, I am not asking
really.
your quotation.
So, no. So to explain about the costing factors, as small as ISP who has number of customer like 5,000 is able to offer these kind of services to their customers.
Oh, okay.
Along with that, I see a lot of FTTH deployment from the ground.
Okay.
Mr. Mehta must be able to
Yes, we are
share
getting
some
there.
lights on that.
Yes, we are getting there actually.
How the FTTH infrastructure is getting deployed by these LCOs, and they are enabling their network to be future proof.
Correct.
And their network will be ready to offer services like VoIP, offer services like IPTV from the same infrastructure.
Correct.
Though it is capital intensive in the beginning, but it is very lower on the maintenance part.
Correct.
When you see long-term vision, it will be very lower maintenance cost. With this, I will pass on to Mr. Mehta.
I'm taking that. Jignesh bhai, Vijay साहब ये कह रहे हैं कि we are putting you to become as good as Airtel वाला या Jio वाला in the form of OSS BSS. To the extent of OSS BSS हम लोग एक जैसे हैं, पर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, उसके लिए लगने वाला हार्डवेयर, उसके लगने वाला उसका लगने वाला कैपेक्स, इन सब चीज़ों में या तो आदित्य जी आपके पास आ जाए या तो डॉक्टर पवनप्रीत जी आपके पास आ जाए, तो उनके पैसे, उनके जेब में पैसे हैं। मैं एक छोटा ऑपरेटर बन करके आपके पास आया हूं, तो क्या ये चीजें मुझको आपका हार्डवेयर सॉल्यूशन भी लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड ऑफर कर रहा है?
डॉक्टर साहब ऐसा है
जी।
कि जैसे अभी मेरे को पैनलिस्ट भाई साहब ने भी बताया कि सबसे पहले तो है ना, हम किसके सामने लड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, compete तो नहीं कर सकते भाई साहब
जी।
we cannot compete these two very 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 big players. हमारी कोई क्षमता भी नहीं है frankly. The infrastructure they are having, the deep pocket they are having, but it is very difficult to compete them. One. Two, at the same time, it is not difficult to stand against them. Mark the difference. उनके साथ में हरीफाई करने की भले हमारी क्षमता नहीं, लेकिन उनके सामने संघर्ष करने की या लड़ने की क्षमता हमारे में है. केबल ऑपरेटर ऐसे ही पैदा हुआ है. I know from the days of the wars, from the days of the street wars to police wars and everything. We have passed through all these things, all these challenges. He is mature enough. One. Two, हो सकता है कि उसका एपेटाइट अभी शायद संतुष्टि वाला हो गया होगा. द नेक्स्ट जेन हैज ऑलरेडी कम.
करेक्ट.
हो सकता है. बट एट द सेम टाइम जो मेरे मित्र लोग ने भी अभी बताया कि एवरीवन हैज टू, उनको अपना नेटवर्क है ना रॉबस्ट करना होगा. दे हैव टू मेंटेन देयर नेटवर्क. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो उसको बिल्ड करना है. दे हैव टू मेंटेन, उनको FTTH बनाना है. फिर वो चाहे कोई भी सर्विस प्रोवाइडर की सर्विसेज लेवे, चाहे वो एयरटेल से लेवे, चाहे सिंह साहब से लेवे, चाहे वॉटेक से लेवे, चाहे प्लेबॉक्स से लेवे, XYZ से लेवे.
Correct,
बट द नेटवर्क शुड बी रॉबस्ट तो
नहीं, मैं-
उसकी वजह से मतलब
जिग्नेश भाई मैं आपकी परमिशन से बीच में एक थोड़ा सा एक इंटरप्शन करता हूँ। वो ये कि मैं जब ये पूछ रहा था आपको कि क्या मैं, जैसे विजय जी ने बताया कि ओएसएस बीएसएस की हद तक आप जैसा एयरटेल ओएसएस ऑपरेट करता है वैसा ही सिनेफो करता है, तो सिनेफो का सॉल्यूशन आपका इनके बराबर हो गया। ठीक है, बड़े लोग आपके पास आएंगे वो तो डेफिनेटली डीप पॉकेट्स के साथ आएंगे, बट जो मेरा स्मॉल लेवल का एलसीओ ब्रदर है, क्या वो नेटवर्क के हिसाब से, ठीक है, किसी जियो का या किसी एयरटेल का वर्थ हो सकता है 10,000 मिलियन या 10,000 करोड़ रुपया, और मेरा वर्थ हो सकता है 3 करोड़ रुपया। इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो लोग बड़े हैं या छोटे हैं इसकी बात नहीं चल रही है। टेक्निकली क्या मेरा नेटवर्क जो एफटीटीएच दे रहा है वो उतनी ही क्षमता निर्माण करता है जो किसी एयरटेल का दे रहा है?
उसमें कोई चैलेंज नहीं है।
हाँ,
ही और शी कैन डू, नो डाउट अबाउट इट। उसको अपना नेटवर्क को रॉबस्ट करना है। अगर वो खुद कोई भी बड़े टेलको से बैंडविड्थ नहीं ले सकता है, ही हैज टू जॉइन द हैंड विद द लार्जर आईएसपी।
करेक्ट।
लार्जर आईएसपी इज मच मच सेफर देन दिस टू पीपल, ऑब्वियसली।
वाह वाह,
लार्जर आईएसपी हमारा घर का है।
लार्जर आईएसपी,
लार्जर आईएसपी, लेकिन
रिपीट दिस
नहीं है,
भाई।
लार्जर आईएसपी जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री का है, पहले तो वो यहाँ से निकाल देना है हमें कि हमारा ये आईएसपी या तो हमारा ये केबल वाला हमारा नेटवर्क खा जाएगा। अरे मेरे भाई, अब बाजू पे सेटलमेंट करोगे, इन दोनों के साथ में कौन सेटलमेंट करेगा? और कल तो तीसरे दिन तो भी बड़ा भाई यूएस से आने वाला है। अभी तो सबने पढ़ा, अभी मस्त सब आएंगे। मुकेश भाई हिल रहे उधर से। तो
अच्छा, बड़ा भाई का
तो
स्टेटस
नहीं
अभी
तो
बदल
सुनिए,
गया
तो
क्या?
मेरा यही कहना है कि भाई योर नोवन डेविल विच इज नेबर टू यू, आपके बाजू में है, इज लेसर डेंजरस। आपको
Yes.
मालूम है कि उसकी क्षतियां क्या है, उसकी चैलेंजेस क्या है, उसकी क्षमताएं क्या है। सिनर्जी करो उनके साथ में, अंदर अंदर कहाँ झगड़ा करेंगे भाई।
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
अगर मैं वापस बोल रहा हूँ, कंपटीशन करने की हमारे पास में ये दो और आने वाले जो ऊपर से आएंगे, एक दो लोग से जो नए लोग आएंगे, अपनी कोई क्षमता नहीं है, लेकिन लड़के खड़ा रहने की, अपना नेटवर्क बचाने की और उसमें ग्रो करने की क्षमता है। नेटवर्क को रॉबस्ट करो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द नेटवर्क हैज टू बी रॉबस्ट। अपग्रेड करते जाइए, अच्छे लोगों से के साथ में अलाइन करिए, टेक्निकली कमर्शियली जो अपने धंधे के लिए जो उचित रहता है वो करते रहिए, और अपग्रेड करते रहिए। जो एडिशनल सर्विसेज, वैल्यू एडेड सर्विसेज जो भी वापस मित्र लोग ने बताया, वैसे चाहे वो ओटीटी होवे, गेमिंग होवे, सर्विलेंस होवे, फला होवे, डिकना होवे, चलाते रहिए, क्योंकि खाली डेटा तो बेच नहीं पाओगे।
सर दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। इन सब चीजों के लिए, इंक्लूडिंग व्हाट विजय जी सेड, इंक्लूडिंग व्हाट आदित्य सर एंड डॉक्टर पवनप्रीत जी इज डूइंग, देयर इज कैपेक्स इन्वॉल्वड इन इट, एंड व्हेन ए स्मॉल ऑपरेटर is accessing your platform, that is Mehta Infocom, what is his mentality vis-a-vis making a capital infusion in his own business?
नहीं साहब, मैं खाली मेहता की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मतलब
जी, जी,
आई एम अ वेरी स्मॉल पोर्शन ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री।
Yeah.
मतलब मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे लोग हैं विच वी आर ट्राइंग टू स्ट्राइव, बोलता हूँ वी आर ट्राइंग टू स्ट्राइव अगेंस्ट दिस टू कॉन्ग्लोमोरेट्स डोमिनेंस इन द इंडस्ट्री, backed by, let me be blunt, by the government.
Strong statement भाई।
भले उनको let it be, लेकिन हमारे में संघर्ष करना है तो आ जाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। हमारे पास में कोई भले सरकारी सहयोग न हुए, पीयूष गोयल साहब ने थोड़े दिन पहले भले फ्लिपकार्ट ने या तो अमेज़ोन ने एक मीट रखी थी, उसमें ही बोल दिया कि भाई अमेज़ोन या फ्लिपकार्ट या तो ऐसे ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म की वजह से हमारे बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे दुकानदारों को, छोटे छोटे किराना स्टोर को, छोटी छोटी दुकानों को तकलीफ हो रही है। ये ठीक बात नहीं है। पीयूष गोयल साहब को मैं मिला भी था बीच में, मैंने उनको शेयर भी किया, सर ये बात इम्प्लीमेंट भी होनी चाहिए। तो गोयल साहब ने भी, मतलब एनीवे दिस इज डिफरेंट थिंग, पॉलिटिकल सहयोग मिल। अच्छा, अभी जो अतुल जी का कहना है कि भाई एक मिनट, जो कैपेक्स वाली बात कहते हैं,
जी,
मैं बोलता हूँ, मतलब मैं समझता हूँ, जो हम तो सॉल्यूशंस में है, प्रोडक्ट्स में है, बट लेकिन जैसे सिंह साहब है या तो आदित्य जी है या जो सीनेफो है या तो उनके जैसे मेरे जो भाई बंद, मेरे और इनके जैसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं सब इंडस्ट्री में, राइट, जो अच्छा सॉल्यूशन और अच्छा काम करने की उनमें क्षमता भी है और कर भी रहे हैं। तो एक दूसरे के साथ में सहयोग करके, इट इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ नॉट ग्रोथ, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ सर्वाइवल।
करेक्ट। जी जी जी
जिंदा
सर,
रहेंगे तो ग्रोथ होगा।
करेक्ट डॉक्टर साहब, मैं आपको ये पूछना चाह रहा था, मतलब मैं अभी भी ये कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर कैपेक्स वाले सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर टच करना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि वी हैव ए फ्यू मिनट्स लेफ्ट बिफोर वी कैन क्लोज दिस सेशन। तो मेरा ये कहना है कि आप तो एयरटेल या जियो जितने बड़े नहीं थे, और आपने भी तो जीरो से ही शुरू किया। तब जो इन लोगों के सामने संघर्ष करने वाला जो पहलवान का मेंटालिटी था, उस मेंटालिटी के अलावा आपके पास में क्या ऐसा था जो लोगों के लिए या मेरे इन बंधुओं के लिए मिसाल बने, कि जो ये कहे कि हम भी एक दिन डॉक्टर पवनप्रीत जितना बड़ा नेटवर्क क्रिएट कर सकते हैं या एक इकोसिस्टम क्रिएट हो सकती है?
सबसे पहले इसमें द मेन इशू व्हाट आई फील इज लैक ऑफ यूनिटी अमंग द लोकल केबल ऑपरेटर्स. Okay, so they fight with each other, they fight with the local ISPs, they fight with the bigger ISPs, but they don't fight with the telecom. Okay, so they don't fight with those two big conglomerates. Okay, so that is the main issue. So we have to be united in case of when we are seeing the ground. So we have to be united.
Yeah.
Okay. So जो मैंने ये चीज़ देखी है, आपको जैसे स्टार्टिंग
नहीं, यूनिटी की बात डॉक्टर साहब मैं आपकी मानता हूं, मगर मैं स्पेसिफिकली फोकस कर रहा हूं और अपने पास में थोड़ा समय है, तो मुझको ये कहना है कि क्या कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर की मसल कुछ माने रखती है, या उसके अलावा टेक्नोलॉजी सॉल्यूशंस, यूनिटी, ये चीजें उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रही हैं?
सर, कैपिटल प्लस इनोवेशन.
Innovation and capital.
Capital and innovation, these are the two things that are required to be successful in this particular industry.
Correct, correct.
So जैसे हमारी उस दिन बात हुई थी, so in fact we are the only ISP right now who is bundling cloud services along with their broadband services for the enterprise.
Absolutely.
Okay, so that is for the enterprise.
Very appropriate example. I'm sorry, for the benefit of the audience, bundling of cloud services with the kind of consumer broadband is very futuristic innovation. I can vouch for that. My compliments to you from the bottom of heart. We take your point.
So
Capital expenditure and
coming over to
innovation.
the residential services. So in fact, we have cloud surveillance, we have cloud gaming, we have OTT, we have IPTV, we have
Fantastic.
internet, we have Wi-Fi roaming. So you have to be innovative.
Correct, correct.
Capital बहुत लोग लगा देंगे, but innovation कोई नहीं कर सकता.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
So that is important.
आदित्य जी, ये आपके हिस्से में तो एक कन्वेंशनल नेटवर्क बड़ा जो लालू सर का है, और जो सेकंड सक्सेसफुल जनरेशन, एज आई ऑलवेज से, तो आपके हिस्से में तो एक सेकंड सक्सेसफुल जनरेशन का बड़ा DVB-C का, दैट इज केबल का एक नेटवर्क आया, और उसमें इनोवेशन करना, और आपके एसोसिएट्स को, आपके नीचे जो केबल ऑपरेटर्स काम कर रहे थे, उनको आपका इनोवेशन और आपका स्प्रेड उनके डाउन द थ्रोट पहुंचाना, इसमें क्या चैलेंजेस आ गए और आपने इसको कैसे हैंडल किया?
Challenges again, as allow me to come back to my one point, कि वो mindset का था to beginning with.
माइंडसेट.
As the mindsets started mingling और वो settle होने लग गई जब dust, उसके बाद it was not a real challenge, ऐसा कोई बड़ा challenge नहीं था. पर हाँ, capital, as you keep coming back to the capex requirement, उसमें कभी कभी होता है कि certain interfaces are expensive.
करेक्ट.
जैसे मैं एक OLT की बात करूँ, अगर मैं कहीं जा रहा हूँ, किसी के साथ जॉइंट वेंचर करना है, एक केबल ऑपरेटर साथ में आ रहा है, OLT का इन्वेस्टमेंट को लेके कभी कभी बातचीत होती है कि वो ISP करेंगे या वो केबल ऑपरेटर करेंगे.
करेक्ट.
तो इस तरह के कुछ चैलेंजेस आते हैं, पर वो अक्रॉस द टेबल रिजॉल्व होते हैं, और लेटर ऑन द केबल ऑपरेटर रियलाइजेस कि ये जो इन्वेस्टमेंट मैंने किया, इट्स अ fruitful and beneficial investment.
We take your point. With right mindset, we have deployed our services, but I cannot. हालांकि मैं थोड़ा सा समय होने के बाद भी 1 मिनट ज़्यादा लेने वाला हूं, और ऑल पैनलिस्ट को, I cannot finish this panel without asking this question: what is the role of the regulator? जिग्नेश भाई, I will start from you, because आपने एक taunting चीज कही थी कि they are coming with the government.
हेलो
जी.
जी.
तो रेगुलेटर इसमें क्या कर रहा है, और हमारे छोटे लोगों के लिए क्या रेगुलेटर आज की तारीख में एक फेवरेबल भूमिका में है?
रेगुलेटर भी तो सरकारी है.
तो नहीं है फेवरेबल?
See, it is, I am not saying like that, but regulation, either it could be judiciary, it could be anything, it could be Reserve Bank or anything. it is all governed by the policy and the say of the central government. So it is like that, frankly.
Yeah.
बट ऐसा है कि जैसे अभी कई बार बात हो चुकी, अपना नेटवर्क ठीक बनाए, आजू बाजू वालों के साथ में सहयोग करे, काम तो है,
Perfect.
काम तो है बॉस, काम निकालना पड़ेगा.
Before we take the opinion from these two stalwarts, network operators themselves, Vijay, what is the regulator doing here that you think, and what is his role, whether favorable or not favorable? Straight 20 seconds.
So currently, definitely regulators are not favorable.
Not favorable.
No, not favorable. It is getting difficult for LCOs. Basically, it is getting difficult for ISPs to adopt to these new regulations. They are just like CPE regulations. It is important for government, bigger country like India, okay, to have a security structure in place, to not allow other foreign entities to take away Indian data or allow any security threats in sitting inside our home.
Vijay, on your left hand side, you see two of these stalwarts. Look at the swag of Aditya ji and look at the relax of Dr. Pawan Preet. Are they marred by the operator? A regulator? Are you being troubled by the regulator?
We cannot call it trouble, but yes, we have to put in a lot of effort to handle that. Actually, the regulators are unfair to, as Mehta ji said, unfair to except for a couple of big players, telcos rather, they are unfair to everyone else. Probably one action or suggestion is that we will have to come together as an association if it is there, if at all it is functional. We must go and make a presentation to the government to make these licensing norms, and as he said, other CPE certification norms and other stuff a little friendlier towards this part of the industry, which is the major part, which is almost 80%.
We
if
take
the
your
numbers,
point.
Yeah.
Dr. Saab.
I believe regulatory compliance comes at a cost. Be it compliance to the reports, be it compliance to the taxation government, be it anything. So smaller ISPs, smaller cable operators will not be able to cope up with this cost because this cost will be growing.
करेक्ट. ऐसा कहते हैं कि सरदार सबसे असरदार होता है. इन्होंने एक बड़ा प्रेग्नेंट स्टेटमेंट दे दिया कि रेगुलेटरी कंप्लायंस कम्स एट ए कॉस्ट. अब उस कॉस्ट को सोचने के बाद हमारा एंटेना खड़ा हो गया कि कौन सी वाली कॉस्ट को कह रहे हैं, क्योंकि रेगुलेटरी को ऑफिशियली भी कॉस्ट पे करनी होती है और फिर बाकी का तो मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता, मैं ऊपर बैठा हुआ हूँ.
I'm talking about the compliance
But
officer.
I understand, but we are taking only the positive part of what you have said. It is extremely insightful, and I'm sure I myself can vouch on this, my friends, that a 40 minutes or 60 minute session with an illustrious panel, an experienced panel such as this is grossly inadequate, and it is not capable of making complete justice to all the facets of the subject that we are handling as of now. But this conference will only instigate thoughts in your minds. We are not here to give you the thoughts and the solutions and challenges and this and that. We are here to only give you reasons to think. That is what my illustrious panelists have done, and we are so very honored to have all of you here. I bid my heartfelt thank on behalf of all of us here for your guidance and your presence here. Thanks for taking out time. Thanks for the young to senior, all of them alike. And everybody says success is the function of unity. Success is the function of mindset. Success is the function of attitude. The attitude with which you are accessing the market, you are accessing the consumer, is going to make you successful. Whether a stalwart is going to fight against you or a weak neighbor is going to be pitching against you, that doesn't matter. With this, I thank the panelists. Thank you so much. Without further delay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start the next panel in actually a minute's time. We have a fantastic speaker, a bank of knowledge, Sudhir Kundarji himself, We will talk in detail about the networks and monetizations there. Thank you so much, my honorable sirs, panelists, and the नहीं सर नहीं नहीं क्यों अरे नहीं इट्स ओके सर या स्पीकिंग टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी Please come a step ahead. We will have a